toctologist long by plalukim na plus sabasan. You can come upon them kind man, time you got this platitude. When you open your heart to people who are in needs,
That's right.
and you offer your life fully to them, you can make them to become somebody too, just like you.
That's right. So they need somebody like us.
So they need somebody like us
Help
to
them.
go and offer. You can offer your whole life to them,
Give them material things,
material things,
finance.
finance, and food and all this, and you can offer them into spiritual side. So big person in room like Dr. This morning, and something tumble me about talking about the morning where it give me hope and heart, blessing me through. And me talking me also. There is power in giving.
Thank you.
The moment you open your hands to others, you stop, you see, for so many years, but looking, things will come back to you in fullness.
Thank you.
And a great person. So thank you through long little talk me this morning. Me bless. Me like by must come up with same
Thank you, Tambo.
from where you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.